Hello, welcome to the Spotlight. And today I spot Mr. Abhishek Ranjan. Over to you, Abhishek. Would you please introduce yourself? And I have a question for you. How leveraging speed in AI sector and how your company solves this problem, challenges. So it's over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for having me. This is Abhishek, founder and director and CEO of this company called Zettabolt. And we specialize in compute offload. So any computation that is happening, whether it is on a cloud machine or it is on a on-prem device or a machine, we can take that computation and offload it to a specific accelerator. So what is an accelerator? Accelerator is a special purpose device like GPUs or FPGAs or specialized NPUs, neural processing units, where you can offload the computation and get the speed up. So what we do is we actually started with the database acceleration, and we started porting like the popular databases like MongoDB and Postgres and Hive, Hadoop and Spark, and started seeing the getting the speed ups for our customers like 3 to 4x speed up. But recently, most of the compute is being hogged by the large language models. Like most of the 90% of the data center compute is going to sort of large language models, and large language models actually are very powerful, but they are also very power hungry, compute hungry, right? And any speed up that you can make in the large language model performance will help you save the cost, because the computation is the cost, right? Whatever minutes or hours you spend in actually running your LLM or your application on the LLM, you're going to pay the cloud provider or the service provider. So so that's the motivation behind why you want the LLMs to actually perform faster, because the 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 time is the money, right? You save time, you save money. Now, there are various ways of doing it. Actually, like the CPUs cannot run LLMs because of the natural disadvantage they have compared to the GPUs and NPUs. So the simplest thing that people do is they will actually port the LLMs to the GPUs, and what will happen as a result of that is that you'll get like 100x faster performance compared to CPUs. Now, like GPUs alone are not the only devices which are available out there, right? And even if you port an LLM to a GPU, how do you know it is performing optimally, right? Maybe you could have gotten 200x speed up, right? And you're only getting 100x. So that's where like a very fine-grained analysis and profiling of the system has to be done, to look at the memory, the I/O, the network, the compute itself. Are you like utilizing the GPU to the fullest in terms of its actually instruction set architecture? And the same analysis needs to be done for any device on which you are porting the LLM. And once you have done that analysis, many times you can figure out that, yeah, LLM can actually perform faster than what it was doing by default on these devices. So that's what we help our customers do, whether it is NVIDIA, whether it is AMD, whether it is Xilinx or many other top sort of like hardware companies in the world, many startups also. We help them in actually doing this analysis, profiling, debugging, and optimizing the offload of LLMs to their respective devices.
Right. So let's talk about the time frames and how much time did you reduce?
Yeah, so it can be actually like if you do a good job of optimizing, a 10-12 hour compute can easily become a 3 4 hour compute, right? So you can get like that kind of a performance improvement and the cost saving. So 3x 4x saving on top of like whatever you were giving to the cloud providers.
Uh, are you serious? It's really reduced like 6 hours
Yeah, it can reduce
in a
six
day?
hours. Yeah, 6 hours in a day actually.
It's
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah. So but you again, you have to the upfront work that you have to do to make the 12 hour go to 6 hours or 3 hours is where we come in, right? So that's where the team specializes. That's where we have our own products and solutions, which can help with the analysis and the fine tuning.
Can we have a demo for this on our show?
Yeah, we can definitely get a
And
demo.
and the technology how it works. So stay tuned with Business Club TV for more business insights.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot for having me here and having me explain all the wonderful technology we are building. And eager to come again and then demonstrate the solutions that we have built for our customers.